Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Sanibona bantwana.
Today we're learning the root words for numbers in isiZulu. Abuti, what is the root word for 1 in isiZulu?
Nye.
Okay, and what is 2?
Billy.
And 3?
Tatu.
And what is 4?
Ne.
And 5?
Klano.
What is 6?
Tupa.
And 7?
Kombisa.
And 8?
Shiagalombili.
And 9?
Shiagalolunye.
And the root word for 10?
Shumi.
So, we have Nye, Billy, Tatu, Ne, Hlanu, Tupa, Kombisa, Shiagalombili, Shiagalolunye, and Shumi. And now you know the root words for numbers in isiZulu. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.